bag rope and racing. My Lady Hannah jumps quick out of the gate. Around the outside, Astra Magic, Black Label, running by the wheel, Lovable Princess, then followed by Red Diamond. Queen Esther around the outside is entry number 6, that's Batang West Side. Going along for the first turn, My Lady Hannah, leading by line, followed now by Lovable Princess in second. Running in third, Astra Magic, around the outside now, Black Label. Then followed by Red Diamond, Dun Duns, entry Batang West Side, entry number 10, Harrier. And into the back they travel, Lovable Princess, My Lady Hannah, and Black Label. Moving up now, Astra Magic, Batang West Side, not the outside. Inside the last 600, Lovable Princess leading the pack, followed now by Black Label, Batang West Side, not the outside, Don, entry moving up by the wheeler, and the last 350, it's Lovable Princess, Batang West Side, moving up, not the outside, grab the leader, towards the final corner, it's now Batang West Side, from the outside, followed by Lovable Princess, Don entry, here comes King Arjun on the outside, the late runner charging in, but still Batang West Side, and finally Batang West Side, King Arjun. Queen Esther close with Lovable Princess, Doremi.
Yung 319 siguro sa third dahil yun ang nakita nating involved eh. Pero clear yung 6-7 first